every once in a while a girl has to indulge herself. I'm Samantha Jones.
And I'm Carrie Bradshaw. Today we're making a Cosmopolitan.
Fucking we are.
Let's get inebriated. Alright, that's how you make my personal favorite drink, the Cosmopolitan. This is actually the first drink I've ever learned to make for myself. It's my favorite drink in the world, so I'm so happy we're making it. Samantha, tell us about this drink a little bit.
So yeah, I mean, it's Cosmopolitan. You guys already know what this is about. It's basically, like she was saying, a vodka cranberry or a kamikaze shot, just upgraded a little bit. So we got, and also one of the biggest differences is that we're using our muddy River Silver Rum instead of vodka. So it actually is a spirit that has some flavor to it. You can taste that. It's coming through in the whole cocktail through everything else that's in there. But yeah, pretty much classic Cosmo. Like, not too much to say about it.
I love that we use the rum because rum is made with sugar, so you can really taste the sweetness of the rum flavor, which helps balance it out from that very citrusy orange and cranberry and lime. So I really like it. Definitely gonna drink more of this version of the Cosmo. But until next time, we're gonna keep indulging ourselves. So
we've indulged ourselves. Check out our recipe down below to indulge yourself.
Cheers.
Cheers.